The world is changing fast, faster than we could have ever imagined. Crises emerge with alarming speed, catching us off guard. Natural disasters, economic turmoil, and geopolitical conflicts are now commonplace, becoming part of our daily lives. These events are not isolated incidents, they are interconnected and often trigger one another. They expose the fragility of our global systems. Cyber attacks can cripple infrastructure, leading to widespread chaos. Pandemics can spread rapidly across borders, overwhelming healthcare systems and disrupting daily life. Supply chains are vulnerable to disruption, affecting everything from food to essential goods. Our reliance on interconnected systems amplifies the impact of these crises, making recovery even more challenging. The pace of these events is accelerating, leaving us with little time to adapt. What was once considered a once-in-a-lifetime event is now a regular occurrence, reshaping our reality. This acceleration leaves little time to react when disaster strikes, putting lives and livelihoods at risk. The stability we often take for granted can vanish quickly, leaving us in a state of uncertainty. We live in a complex and unpredictable world where the unexpected has become the norm. Preparedness is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity for survival in these uncertain times. Preparedness is not about living in fear, it is about being proactive and taking control of your future. It is about taking responsibility for your well-being and the safety of your loved ones. It is about acknowledging the potential for disruption and taking steps to mitigate the impact. This means understanding the risks and preparing accordingly. Prepared individuals are not caught off guard. They have a plan, they have supplies, they know what to do when the unexpected happens. They have the knowledge and skills to adapt to changing circumstances. They practice first aid, know evacuation routes, and stay informed. When disaster strikes, they are able to weather the storm. They can protect their homes and ensure their families' safety. Recent events have shown the benefit of preparedness. Communities that plan together recover together. During natural disasters, those with emergency supplies and evacuation plans fared better. They were able to act quickly and avoid panic. Mid economic uncertainty, those with savings and diversified incomes were more resilient. Financial preparedness is just as crucial as physical preparedness. Preparedness provides peace of mind. It allows you to enjoy life, knowing you are ready for whatever comes your way. It empowers individuals and families to face uncertainty with confidence. It builds resilience and fosters a sense of security. It is an investment in safety and security. By preparing today, you ensure a safer, more secure tomorrow for yourself and your loved ones. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. understands the importance of preparedness. In today's unpredictable world, being ready for any situation is crucial. We are a leading provider of survival goods, essential supplies, and emergency gear. Our extensive range of products ensures that you have everything you need to face any challenge. Our products are designed to help you navigate the unexpected. Whether you're an adventurer, a camper, or someone preparing for emergencies, we have you covered. We offer a comprehensive range of products. From basic necessities to advanced survival tools, our selection is unmatched. From long-lasting food storage to reliable water filtration systems, we provide solutions that ensure you have access to essential resources. We have everything you need to be self-sufficient. Our gear is designed to support you in any environment, ensuring you can thrive even in the most challenging conditions. Our emergency tools and first aid kits are designed to withstand demanding conditions. They are built to be durable and reliable when you need them the most. We prioritize quality and reliability. Each product is crafted with care and precision to ensure it meets your needs. Our products are rigorously tested to ensure they meet the highest standards. We conduct thorough quality checks to guarantee performance and durability. We source our materials from trusted suppliers. This ensures that every item we offer is made from the best possible components. Your safety and well-being are our top priorities. With Ultra Prime Selections Inc., you can face the future with confidence, knowing you are well prepared for whatever comes your way. The future is uncertain, but you don't have to face it unprepared. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. provides the tools and resources you need to navigate the challenges ahead. Visit our website to explore our full range of products. Our team of experts is available to answer your questions and help you create a personalized preparedness plan. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Take action today. Invest in your preparedness and secure your future. With Ultra Prime Selections Inc., you can face the unexpected with confidence.